Okay, very good. So we are going to start the game in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So the main goal here is actually to put all the caps to the other side. Ali has green caps, Ali has the blue ones, and they need to be all the six. To win, they need to be all the six caps to the other side. They need to go through the little hole that is in the middle.
I have to admit that I'm the new here, so this is kind of unfair.
Well, you are losing. Ali, he's got just one more, and he's. So, do you like it? Everybody, so for the game we are going to use a cardboard. The length of the cardboard doesn't matter, it's actually the length that you wish. So in my case, the length of the cardboard is 1 meter. And we are going to need some stripes of the cardboard. We are going to use 6, so it's going to be +6. And the length is going to be 1 meter. Plus here is going to be 5 centimeters. Okay, we are going to need 6 of these ones. Okay, later we are going to need one over here, another one here in the middle, another one over here. But because we are going to put these ones together, we need to measure later the actual distance that we are going to need here. Okay, so I'm going to cut the video now so we can have these ones. Oh, by the way, let me show you. Okay, so you can use a pizza cardboard for your game, or in my case I'm going to use this one, a bigger one. I got it in Costco, so if you go, mom and dad goes to Costco, they can find it in all the boxes that are over there, so they can bring you one up there. Okay, also we are going to need some other things, and later in the video when it's all cut it up, I put it to there for you know what you are going to need. Okay, thank you so much, and I'm cut it here and coming back for you later. Okay, we finished the part. Second part was about cutting the 6 strips of cardboard. As you can see, it's the same length of the big cardboard that I have. Okay, so because my cardboard was so thin, I was able to cut it with scissors. Okay, so the next part, we are going to glue the 3 strips together. Well, you can use white glue or you can use silicone. Okay, so we are going to have one, and we are going to have the other one. Okay, so when I do this thing, I'll come back with you. Okay, see you. So I just glued the pieces that I have of cardboard. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. So we have 2, and now we are going to. Sorry. Oh, good.
¿Quieres que corte?
No, it's okay. Well, a blooper. So we are now going to glue it in this part. Okay, one goes here, and the other one goes there. Okay, and after we glue them, we are going to measure so we have the right measurement of the one that goes right here in the middle, and then the other side. Okay, so let me glue it, and I'll be back with you. Right, so as you can see, I already glued those pieces in their place, and now we need to measure exactly how much centimeters are going to be from inside this wall to the other one. No? So I'm going to measure them. In my case, it's going to be like. It's going to be like 56 centimeters. Okay, well, thank you. Not yet. So it's going to be 56 from here. We need 3 here. We are going to need 2 here in the middle and 3 over there. So in total it's going to be like 3, 6, 8. Very good. Also in the same height. It's 5 centimeters. Thank you so much. I'll see when I cut them. I put it over here. I'll see you back. Okay. Thank you so much. See Hello everybody. I'm back again, and now as you can see, I put the other walls inside. So we have this little box, And then we are going to measure all our box and put some lines in the middle, okay? The third one is going to be here in the middle, and I could do more little walls. These walls are 5 by 5, and I got both of these ones, okay? So as you can see, I have 2 layers, okay? So I don't know, you can see there are 2 layers, okay? So for this part, you're going to put the third rail here, and then you are going to put these little walls, one side and the other one, okay? Right there, okay? And you are going to mark them so you know where they are. Okay, you are going to mark there. There's one, and there's the other one. Okay. You are going to do the same thing in the other side, and then you are going to glue these ones here, okay? Like this. So you have like a little space so you can put the rail there, okay? So this one goes on this side and the other one. When I glue it, I will be back with you, okay? Thank you. We almost finished. I already glued these things, and the other parts that I tell you about 5 by 5, I put it in the middle. So the third one goes actually here, okay? So it stays there. The one other thing that you need to do is this little piece, okay? In this, may I tell you, this opening is going to be for the same, almost the same size for the cap to pass over there, okay? So I think it's going to be this 2 centimeters by 4, okay? 2 by 4. So this one is taking already shape, okay? Very good, there it goes. It needs to go there. And the next thing that you will need, some rubber bands, okay? Some elastic material, it can be anything. If you don't have these rubber bands as big, you can use the other ones. You can use like other rubber bands, like these ones, and just needed to put them together like this, okay? It's very simple. Nice, and until you get the size that you need, okay? So for these rubber bands, I'm going to put it by 8 centimeters from the gold and 1 centimeter from the bottom to the top, okay? So it's going to be over here for team number 1 and team number 2, okay? So when I'm done, I will show you how I got it, okay? So we're almost there. Thank you. So in the next video, I'll see you how it stays there, okay? Thank you so much. Have finished. As you can see, the rubber bands are in each side. Yeah, thank you. Beto is helping me over there. Also, if you want to see over here, if you want to make an approach without very good, you can see that I put a little like stick here. I use metal, but you can use chopsticks, you can use wood, or you can use part of the cardboard as a stopper there, okay? So also I make a little hook here. You can see the hook, yeah, over there, the hook. Mm-hmm. So I can actually grab the rubber band so I can pull it through the hole, yeah. Once I pull it through the hole, it's more easy to put everything together. One more thing that I did, I told you in the last video that it's going to be 1 inch over here. I put it half an inch so the rubber band can be more at the floor level, so it's easier to launch the cap like that. Very good. So as you can see, the main thing here is to pass it through this little hole, and the game you can actually invent some other kinds of game. If I have 3 here and my opponent have the other 3, is the first ones who actually put all the caps to the other side. But you can change it. You can make more goals here, more spaces, so it can be an easy one, or you can make like a shooting game. Yeah, you put it over there, or you can make some figurines there, like like this figurine here, something like that. And you are going to try to shoot it, okay? It's like, okay, sorry, over there. And it's a shooting game. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. So I hope you like this project, and if you want to know something else or have any doubt, please contact me. I'll be very glad to help you. Thanks so much, and see you next time. Bye bye, everybody. So we have a new two types of new game. Now look what I have printed in my printer. You know, who is this? Okay, so for this kind of game, we are going to get rid of the centerpiece. And the main goal is to sanitize the other side to help my friend to stay out of virus, okay? Virus. Sorry, virus. So the first one who actually helps your friend is going to win, okay? Remember, if you take out one of yours, you are helping him, okay? In this case, my daughter. Hi, Ale. Very good. So we are going to start. It's the same thing without the middle thing, and we'll start shooting. There's one tip here. You can actually do like this in the rubber band, so you can direct your shots. Okay. Oh, very good. One down. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, 2 out. Oh, she wins. Well, the second version of this game, okay? Now she will have all the gaps over there. And for this kind of game, is who is going to clean out the virus, who is going to peel all the virus first, okay? You can choose the amount of virus that you want to have there. So we start like that. We'll do it 4. So she's going to start when we time it, okay? Very good. 1 down. 2 down. Almost. Oh my God. Near. Almost there. Oh, 1 down. Last one. Almost. Oh, he's dead. Well, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this game, and see you. Bye bye. Say bye. She says bye. Bye.